Welcome to this video on SAP Business One for the automotive industry. We will explore how this solution helps streamline your manufacturing, supply chain, and financial processes. Modern automotive supply chains often face significant friction. Issues like supplier disruptions, inventory inaccuracies, and poor warehouse visibility can lead to production delays and eroded profit margins. Managing these complex operations with disconnected software only compounds these errors. When systems don't talk to each other, you encounter blind spots, supplier chaos, and dangerous data lags. SAP Business One acts as a synchronized digital engine. By centralizing your database, it unites production planning, material requirements planning, inventory management, purchasing, and finance. With SAP Business One, production planning becomes seamless. You can dynamically sequence jobs, allocate the right resources instantly, and monitor execution in real time to minimize idle time. The system's MRP engine automatically calculates your procurement needs. It helps prevent stockouts, lowers carrying costs, and allows for smarter procurement based on live inventory levels. Inventory and warehouse management is simplified with real-time control. Features like batch and serial tracking, barcode integration, and live financial valuation ensure complete visibility over your stock. Purchasing and supplier management are equally robust. You can automate workflows, track supplier performance, and use three-way matching to ensure accurate financial records and vendor accountability. Financial management integrates directly with the factory floor. This allows for real-time profitability tracking, precise cost center analysis, and clear cash flow visibility. The result is a connected enterprise. By creating a single source of truth, you eliminate manual reconciliation and ensure every business update is instantaneous. This represents a paradigm shift from reactive silos to proactive control, replacing manual spreadsheets and disconnected processes with automated, integrated intelligence. The measurable outcomes include higher productivity, reduced operational costs, scalable processes for growth, and improved customer service through reliable delivery timelines. If you are experiencing frequent inventory discrepancies, scheduling challenges, or lack of cost visibility, then your current manual processes may be bottlenecking your growth. Kabeer Consulting Group serves as your partner in this transformation. With global SAP expertise, we provide tailored implementation and end-to-end support for your manufacturing environment. Ready to shift your operations into high gear? Scan the QR code on your screen for a free demo and consultation, or contact us via the email or phone numbers provided.